Inside this beautiful garden of Eden, everywhere good, everything good. Food boku, fruits boku, animals they play with each other, everything they go smoothly, everywhere peace there everywhere. You look, you go see lion and goats they play draft, monkey just they jump, they doing things, you not send anybody. So one day, snake come waka pass everybody, passing fellow animals, come go meet Eve for where she sit down the rest. Now so snake call her say, Auntie Eve, abeg I wan ask you something. Eve say okay, I dey hear you. He say na true say Papa God tell una say make una no eat that fine fruit wey dey for middle of the garden. Na Eve scratch her head small. Say yes o, Baba God say make we no touch that fruit o. Say any day we touch am, say na die be that o. As serpent hear am na so he say which kind talk be that one na? Which kind die? Say nobody dey die anything. Say you see that fruit wey dey so, if you eat am, you go wise like Papa God. Your eye go shine. You go know a lot of things. You go get wisdom full everywhere. Wisdom go wan wound you. As he talk like that, na Eve scratch